Good morning, you guys. So today is the day that I go pick up my puppy. Hey guys, we're on our way. We're on our way to go get puppy.
Or whatever to work. Like I got to be able to let that go at the door and be able to focus in on you. And feeling like, dang, like if I just said this in studio or picked up Sabrina in this situation, it'd be a different, you know. So of course you focus.
Hi, you guys. Here she is. Her so cute. She's so adorable. Say hi to Harley. Her is so cute. Hi. Let me wrap her up in her blanket. Hold on, y'all. Y'all see her? Harley! Come here, Harley. Come here. She's trying to get up here. Oh, this is that, right? No, I think that's this one. Harley. Holly. 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 She's so cute. Here's an update on Harley. Harley, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. And in HEB now. Got at least some videos. We're stopping at some storage. But I don't even know what I want to get, honestly. I think I want to get some fruits and stuff so I can start eating right. But like, strawberries for sure. Gotta find the right ones. Organics. Oh no. We need the regular strawberries. Those are organic strawberries. Y'all looking pretty. What you got?
Spring rolls. I never had this, but I want to try it. Fresh. It's basically a sushi bowl. Poke bowl.
You got beans in there.
You don't eat that?
Mm-mm.
You know what that is?
Pinto.
Edamame, girl.
Oh, edamame.
You ain't never had edamame?
Mm-hmm. My man never said nothing to me. Alright, y'all, let's find the good strawberries. These maybe, I like big strawberries though, so. Ooh, maybe these right here. Yes, yes, yes. These are good to go. These in the cart. Oh, we're gonna put those right there. Okay, y'all want some celery, so I'm gonna grab some a bag and get some right here. Ooh, sprinklers came off in here. Gotta get some bananas. Get some apples. I got a couple of them. Apples. I'm gonna get some fish, y'all, some tilapia to cook. Some fish. Butter. So we're gonna get the Cajun butter. Fish are so small. Like once they cook, they're gonna be like, they already small, but once they cook, they're gonna be small as hell. Yeah, I'm gonna get some chicken.
How old are you, John? Ooh, you young.
Get some of these. Oh. Knocking their stuff. These. And some of this cheese. I love animal crackers. Keep going. Only saved $7. Thank you, you too. Hi, you guys. So I'm going to my nail appointment. I should be heading out right now. I wanted her to resend the address. It was supposed to be for 5, but she asked me, can we reschedule it to 5:30? So it's 4:55 right now. Let me see if I can look it up. Go, honey. Y'all, I can't wait for y'all to see my nails. They're gonna be so cute. But I'll see y'all when I get there to my nail. Okay, y'all, so I made it here. She knew I was gonna be a little late. So yeah, let's go in here. I gotta try to put some of this stuff down because I don't want nobody breaking into this car, honey. If they break into this car, honey, Brittany is gonna have my ass. And I don't need Brittany having my ass because something always happens when I have her car. I promise y'all. Not even y'all. Y'all, I don't even know how to do it. How you been, girl? Y'all, let me tell y'all the reason why she asked me that. Because, well, I haven't went to her in a while, but this girl had did my nails because Nay was booked, like, and I was trying to get my nails done for Christmas, before Christmas, but she was booked all the way up. So I reached out to this other girl with the whoop. We set an appointment, whoop, whoop. She tells me that she's going to have to charge me a $10 squeeze-in fee at 10 a.m. in the morning. What the hell? Right? So then I get to the appointment. Boom. You know, I don't have nothing against people, you know, doing their stuff outside their house. Because Nay does her nails outside her house. Like, I don't have that. That don't bother me, right? Her mom came in the kitchen. She does nails like in the dining room kitchen area, kind of. So like when she came, her mom came in the kitchen. Her sister was yelling. Her mama was yelling at the sister. I should have known something was wrong because why is you yelling and your daughter has clients? Like, you don't give a damn, right? So then after that, all I wanted was duck Frenchies. That's it. That's all I wanted. Extra long, because y'all know I like my long nails. Extra long, right? When I tell y'all my nails looked chopped, like the French wasn't Frenching, the application was bumpy. And I don't know, like, and I just felt some type of way because right after my appointment, she had other appointments and those nails looked so good, but mine looked bad. Is like they were so thin. They were bulky. They were choppy. My nails were just chopped. So I was so happy when I sat back down in a chair because it was like, girl, I need you. I miss you. Like, But I just want to add that in there, y'all, because I need to let y'all know, like, you can't go to everybody. And I had asked Nate, I was like, is it okay if I cheat on you? I just really need my nails done. She was like, yes, girl, I understand. And never again. Thank you. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and watch Nate work my nails and make them look bomb AF. Mwah. Painter, baby, you can be the muse. I'm the reporter, baby, you can be the news. You're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. You are the joke, and I could be the blackboard, you can be the top, I can be the fall. Yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and eyes with your pretty little hands. Even when we're down to the wire, baby. Even when it's even war day, we can do it, baby, simple as that.
Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now. Put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance.
All set.
Records on records, got records on records, I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your bit right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Beat the whole walls loose. Hop in the frog. I take that bit to come comfort me. I swear these niggas is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Bank rolls on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most. Yeah, pull up and goes. Yeah, my diamonds a choker. Holding up, I with no holster. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Damn, magic with the brick do voodoo.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now. Put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it?